Today I'm quickly reviewing the Nuzzy pen and whether it's actually worth your money in 2026. I've been testing it for a few days, and I want to give you a real, no-nonsense breakdown. So first impressions. It feels surprisingly solid for a budget-friendly pen. The grip is comfortable, the ink flow is smooth most of the time, and it doesn't skip much during normal writing. Now the pros. It's affordable, lightweight, and easy to carry around. Perfect for students or anyone who just needs a reliable everyday pen. But there are a couple of drawbacks. The ink can occasionally smudge if you're a fast writer, and the durability isn't amazing if you're rough with your tools. So is it worth it? Honestly, yes, if you just need something simple and cheap. But if you're looking for premium performance, you might want to upgrade. That's my quick take on the Nuzzy pen. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick reviews like this. See you in the next one.